guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with Cara today, and today we're doing the animal tag challenge.
Speaking of animals.
And so this tag, I don't even know how it really goes, we're just going to play it our own way. We've got a cup full of animals, and we're just going to make the noises. Yeah, cup full of animals. Alright, so I'll start, shall I?
Do you read it and I say the noise that I think
No.
it makes? No.
So I'm gonna read it and you gotta guess what animal I am.
Okay.
Okay. I'll put it on the screen so you guys can see.
Snake.
Yes. That was good, that was easy. Oh, I better not read it. Kookaburra? Go again. A monkey?
Yeah. How did you guess a kookaburra? Isn't a kookaburra a bird?
Yeah. I don't know. You sound like a kookaburra. What do you guys think Cara sounded like? A kookaburra or a monkey? Mum did up these names, like these animal tags for us, so could be anything in here. Oh. Meow.
A cat. You're so lame, mother, if you're watching this.
Very easy.
She'll probably put a rhinoceros in there and I'm like, what the fuck's that? How do you do it? How do you do that noise?
I don't know what you're doing.
I don't know how to do it. I can't do it. Nay!
A horse?
Yeah. I tried to do that thing how they go. Yeah.
Well, you failed the first two times. That was pretty entertaining, so. Oh,
Cockatiel.
no.
No.
Moink.
Oh, pelican?
No.
Oh, seagull.
Yeah.
How did she think of a goddamn seagull?
She's clever.
How am I gonna do?
That sounds like your monkey.
I know, but
Is it a kookaburra?
yes. That's the only way I could think of it.
Okay, your monkey and kookaburra sound the same.
That's why I did it.
Oh, so you knew I would get it. Oh my god, I can't even think of how they normally sound. Okay, I'll do it without the action first, and then if she doesn't get it, I'll do it with action.
Elephant?
Yeah. I was like,
Yeah.
but I can't think of what noise they use.
I normally just go without making the noise.
And that's
yeah.
this means elephant. I think we got 5 each, so. A cricket?
I don't know how this would work. Okay. Can I do 2 noises to conjoin it to the one noise?
Yeah.
Meow, meow.
What? A mouse?
Yeah. I kept going after a mouse and it's going.
I don't know if
What
mouses
noise?
actually go meet meet, but.
Yeah, but it's meant to sound like a little. Yeah. Cute noise.
Oh, I've got all the easy ones, I swear. Woof. Woof.
Dog.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Go again, please.
Roar!
Dinosaur.
No. It's got a mane.
Lion.
Yeah.
Okay. Is that all of them?
Yep.
So that's all of our suggestions all gone. Hope you guys like this short little video of just a fun little tag. If there's any other tag videos you'd like to see us do, please leave them in the comments below. Bye. Oh, I think I blocked out your face. Let's do that again. Okay, bye.